Today, I would like to talk about how Namwi's musical and filming skills influenced the Malaysian society. Namwi was born in 1983. He is currently 36 years old. He was born in Malaysia, Johor, Muar. His father, named Wee An Hee, who is a vocal teacher, and his mother, Ong Guan Fang, hosted a television karaoke competition. After his secondary education in Malaysia, he went to Taiwan to further up his study in Ming Chun University, majoring in mass communication. After his degree, he came back to Malaysia to develop his music career in Kuala Lumpur. In, in 2007, he uploaded his first MV to his YouTube channel. The name of the MV, called Negara Kuku, the lyrics touch on a number of racially and religiously sensitive issues. He then got charged by the authorities with the seditions, and meanwhile the Malay rights group in Malaysia, named Perkasa, requested to revoke his citizenship. This is the beginning and the first video that he uploaded. Further on, I would like to talk about the achievements that Namwi have achieved in his career path. According to Popable, Wee's MV named Stranger in North is currently ranking #1 throughout his 38 songs of production. This MV is uploaded on YouTube in 2016, 4th of March, and it has approximately 165 million views. Throughout his journey, Wee received several awards not only from Malaysia, but also from the countries of Southeast Asia like Taiwan and Hong Kong. In 2015, he successfully brought his movie Banglasia to New York Asian Film Festival. In the following years, in 2017, he received 2 awards like Golden Melody Award from Taiwan and Best Male Mandarin Artist Award from Taiwan as well. In 2018, Wee continuously received 3 awards from the Malaysia Book of Record, which are Most Viewed for Singles MV on YouTube, Chinese category, Highest Music Video Review on YouTube, and last but not least, the Most Videos Viewed on YouTube, Chinese category. Furthermore, I would like to talk about the arrival of hip-hop music in Malaysia. The Malaysian hip-hop scene started in the 1990s, with the rap groups such as KRU, 4U2C, NICO, and Noxious Maximus. But during that time, rap music wasn't accepted by the mainstream community, and so they had to change to a more pop-ish sound. However, the younger generation, especially in the urban areas, were more curious and receptive. They were more in tune to receive this new culture that was creating waves across the globe. Purpose of my research: to understand how Namwi stand an important role in Malaysian Chinese society, to understand what leads to Namwi's controversial perspective towards politics, and to understand the purpose of his productions. Significance of study: it helps contribute to musicians, students, lecturers, societies to utilize art as a platform to convey messages, to motivate new generation musicians and artists by analyzing Namwi's effort throughout his career path. The methodology on organization of paper. Information from Social Blade, JSTOR, ProQuest, YouTube, Pondable, KKBox, and so on. In total of 4 chapters. Moving on, in chapter 1, we are going to talk about the downfalls of Namwi. There are a few downfalls throughout his path in his music career. In 2007, he uploaded his first MV on YouTube, which gained the attention from the authorities in Malaysia. This is as what I said just now from the background. And he was charged by the authorities with sedition and he nearly went to jail. He then apologized the video he uploaded on YouTube. In 2016, he produced a song called Oh My. He was facing a police investigation over the alleged use of footage said to depict a mosque in the state of Penang and the simply use of the words of Allah and Mecca in the MV. Therefore, the recent incidents that happened was his concert that happened in Bukit Jalil in the Axiata of Arena on 31st of December was cancelled by the organizer named Star Planet. The Star Planet Manager Director, Dato' Alan Fu, said the cancellation of the concert was due to a video posted by Namewee on November 23rd, where the content contravened an agreement between both parties. Furthermore, we are going to talk about the background of study about Namewee collaboration. According to Malaysian Mail, we have collaborated with a few famous artists around the world for his music videos. They are artists from Taiwan, Singapore, and Hong Kong, and of course, Malaysia. These are the names that collaborated with we before. First, Wang Li Hong, Jem Xiao, Anthony Perry Wong, and Sean Lim. And of course, there are many more. Firstly, the song named Stranger in North is a collaboration between we and Li Hong, which was uploaded on 4th of May 2017. It has about 165 million views on YouTube. This MV is ranked number 1 in his whole project. The meaning of this song is about an individual who live far from their home with dreams. Secondly, the name of the song called The Stray is an MV that collaborated with one of the famous Taiwan artists named Jem Xiao. It was uploaded in 2019, 3rd of May. According to Namewee, dog is the best friend of human, and it is a song contributed to all the heroes who are saving the stray dogs. Due to the limited time, I will discuss more about other collaborations regarding his MV and films in my research paper. 2. Literature review. In my literature review, I will discuss about how he visualized himself on screen and behind the screen, how he contributed to his own career path, the hardship he went through with the higher authority in Malaysia, and the hardship by touring around the world with his crew. Chapter 3. In Chapter 3, I will discuss on how Namewee created platforms for the creatives in the society. These are the companies that he created. Namewee Studio Production is his main company, and Red People recently just closed down due to some issues that I will continue to discuss the issues in my final research paper. And of course, Our Talent is an app that Namewee created for the musicians or performers to outshine their talents by posting up to this app, and with the availability for purchaser to purchase their talents through this app. So for chapter 4 will be my conclusion. Throughout this research, I appreciate Namewee effort as a musician. I hope that through this research, it would provide a detailed account and insights to those who wish to know more about Namewee as a musician or to the general public. Throughout the research, it was justified that Namewee's composition have reached many appreciation and achievement, especially from the recent concert and production. We can see that he received many supports from his own country, and many of his audience that support him in the concert are not only Malaysians but also from Southeast Asia country. Thank you for your time, and feel free to ask questions. I will try my best to answer the questions given. Thank you.